if you have a small YouTube channel, it will be difficult for your channel to pick up, because YouTube will now be testing your content. Like, for instance, giving your content to some number of people to see if they'll watch. And most people, just because you don't have a lot of subscribers, people will not watch you because they feel like you're not trusted. So let's say you have only 20 subscribers, people will not watch you because they expect you to be trusted before. And the reason why some of these things happens is that if you don't have a lot of subscribers, people feel like maybe this is something you are just doing, and some 1 month or even in 1 year time, you know, like, you vanish. And YouTube themselves too, they feel like they don't trust you yet. So what they mostly do is that they keep promoting the bigger accounts. For instance, in Ghana here, if a small YouTuber do a video about Shatawale, and another YouTuber like Koji Sheldon do a video about Shatawale, what will happen is that the YouTube algorithm will send Koji Sheldon's videos first to the Ghanaian audience first. But the small YouTuber, now, before the algorithm will be testing people and all that. The reason why some of these things happen is that YouTube believes that the ones who have built the system already for a very long time, first of all, they've been getting a lot of money, so they are stable enough to do the work for them. And they also believe them because of how people have been engaging with their contents. So they don't want to lose them, so they always make sure they promote their content and all that. But if you're a small YouTuber, this trust is not yet there. YouTube themselves don't trust you yet, and even audience don't trust you yet. So this makes it very difficult for a small YouTuber to also get started. And if you have been watching me for some time now, I always keep saying that, the YouTube algorithm is too tight for upcoming creators. For instance, if a small creator starts creating videos today on the YouTube channel, that person will not blow. But if the person goes to TikTok to create account right now, you can see that the person will just get 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers and all that. So I believe it's like YouTube is trying to use the same algorithm to help young creators. This means that for YouTube, they are doing their part. So what is already happening is that even if you are a small YouTuber, and you create a video about Shatawale, and Koji Sheldon also create a video about Shatawale, after people watch Koji Sheldon, they'll test your content. They'll put your content right under Koji Sheldon. So at first, they are supposed to recommend only Koji Sheldon's videos after watching Koji Sheldon. But now they are mixing it. They'll put another small YouTuber in the middle to see if people will watch it. So now it depends on the audience. If they want to watch, that's it. So that system that only YouTube want to keep the big creators and putting the small creators underground and all that, it's like that vibe is changing. So now it's up to you to see how you can actually put your contents together and see how people will also react to it. So this is just a quick update, and I believe it's going to be a good thing for young YouTubers. And this is also going to help YouTube a lot, because if you check TikTok, the number of people who are creating content on TikTok, if you go on the TikTok page, someone will be having 1 million followers on TikTok. But if that person posts the same video on YouTube, that person will not even get 1,000 subscribers. You see? So if they actually put this, it will help everyone. So guys, I believe this short video will help you. If you're someone who wants to start creating a YouTube channel, they are now putting these things in place. So I believe in the long run, it will help you. So basically, this is just a quick update, and I want you to know. I believe this video has been helpful, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos.